We'll now look at calculating the latest starting times on our activity network that includes dummy activities. Here are our earliest starting times already completed, and our stopping vertex, our last vertex, will have the same duration as the earliest, which is 13. To calculate working backwards, to get to the beginning of J, there is only one path. So 13 take away the duration of J2 gives us a latest starting time of 11. To get to the end of I, there are two pathways. We could go directly from the final vertex, or we can go J and then via the dummy. The duration of these two pathways is either 11 going through the dummy or straight back from I, which would give us 10. We choose the smallest of these times, which is 10. Now working backwards again. To get to the beginning of H, we have one pathway. So we have 11 take away the duration of H1, gives us 10. To get to the beginning of G, we have two pathways. We can go directly from G, or we can go via F. The smallest of these two pathways gives us a duration of 7. To get to the beginning of D, we move backwards. 7 take away D's duration of 2 gives us 5. To get to the beginning of E, we have two pathways. Directly back from E, which would be 10 minus E's duration 4, which is 6, or along the dummy activity from the end of D, which would give us a duration of 7. We take the smallest of these durations, which is 6. To get to the beginning of B and C, again we have two pathways. Along C, we would have 6 minus C's duration, which would be 5, or along B, which would be 5 minus B's duration of 3, which gives us 2. The smallest of these is 2. And then we go along A to our starting vertex. A's duration is 2, so that gives us a time of 0.